guys, this is John from Channel 688 and Channel 777 If you guys are interested in those items, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Wechat, or WhatsApp, and you can search our website to place your order. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my Twitch channel. I will do more review here. And today I'm going to show you guys the new sample we got, the Air Jordan 40, the new colorway we got. Okay, so let me show you the details. And first you can check the side. Another side. And turn to the top box. Check the top box here. The Japanese. And turn to the back. Check the back. The Japanese here. Also check the insole. The button. So just a short review to show you guys the new sample we got. If you guys are interested in those items, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Wechat, or WhatsApp. And this is Jen. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.